Filter installation and removal instructions for Pharmaslim terminal housing. The Camfil Pharmaslim is a leak-free welded sealing module for room-side replaceable HEPA filters with no larger than a 3-inch filter frame. It is an economical terminal housing alternative for life sciences facilities requiring guaranteed performance and risk-free compliance. This video will show how to change the HEPA filter safely without damaging the filter or housing. Camfil recommends changing HEPA filters when the filter's pressure drop. The difference in static pressure between the upstream and downstream sides of the filter exceeds 1.5 times the initial pressure drop at its rated airflow. Filter unpackaging instructions. With an assistant, exercise caution removing filters from their packaging. It is important to grasp the filter by the frame only. Use care to never touch the filter media or gel with your hands or foreign objects. If the bag sticks to the gel in the gel channel, pull the bag away very slowly. Doing so quickly could damage the gel. Filter installation and removal. This procedure requires 2 technicians and a 9/16" socket wrench. To remove the grille, one technician should loosen and remove all acorn nuts and flat washers, while the other supports the grille. Do not allow the acorn nuts and washers to fall on the floor after loosening. Locate the 4 filter retaining tabs inside the housing and loosen the nuts by turning counterclockwise with the socket wrench. One technician should support the filter by the frame at all times while rotating the tabs until they are parallel to the filter frame. When removing an existing filter, do not touch the filter media or gel seal with hands or equipment. If removing an old filter, clean any residual gel from the knife edge track using a mild surfactant. Firmly grasp the new filter by the frame without touching the media or gel. One technician should place the filter inside the hood, supporting it, while the other one rotates all retaining tabs 90 degrees to the housing frame. Tighten the tabs by turning the nuts clockwise with the socket wrench. Alternatively, each technician can fasten the tabs on their end of the housing while the other holds the filter. Have one technician hold the grille over the filter while the other fastens the flat washers and acorn nuts into place. Alternatively, each technician can fasten the washers and acorn nuts on their end of the housing, while the other supports the grille. All Pharmaslim housings are leak-free and pressure-tested at the factory with a 1-year warranty against leaks and manufacturing defects. Pair Pharmaslims with Camfil's Megalam HEPA panel filters, which provide the fine particulate control required in today's clean rooms and clean areas. For more information about the Pharmaslim terminal housing or Megalam filters, contact your Camfil representative. Camfil Clean Air Solutions.